Alright guys, so I'm about to level my digital B to level 9. It's actually one of my first quests right down here, so it took so long. Alright, boop. Alright, we're really close now. So if you hear people stomping in the background, it's my sister. Ooh, actually, I should probably feed one of these. That way, when I use this, it counts as 100 and maybe get a mutation note. Here we go. Boom! Awesome. Gummy bee, you're not next. Cobalt, you're not next. Photon, you're next. Photon's next. Never mind, Photon is not next. Who is it? Is it Spicy Bee? Is it Bear? Ah, Bear, you're next. Anyways, that's the short.